Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the AIDIAM brand under sink organizer. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so getting the box open. See, it's relatively neatly packaged here. Simple system. So we'll get this out of the plastic wrap. All right, and then once you do that, you'll see some simple instructions on how to put this thing together. Note that there are a couple pieces here that you'll put on as the feet for suction. So let's get this assembled. All right, so part of this may become a little confusing as they give you 5 of these pieces, although the instruction manual, and there's the 5th one here, will only tell you that there are, where are we? That there are only going to be 4 that come in. So they give you an extra, which is great, but it might be a little confusing because you might be looking for an extra hole to put things in. So that said, once they're set in, the whole idea is to keep this in place as a suction so that when you slide this thing in and out, it does stay in place. So let me show you it in action. All right, so as you can see, this thing fits great underneath the sink and simply allows you to pull out and push in and organize anything you need. It goes both ways, so if I wanted to go the other direction deeper, I could if I needed to. But this thing's super convenient. It will be a little weighted depending on it. You want to just make sure you put in those little stickies at the bottom, and that'll help a lot so that it doesn't move too much. But overall, really great. So I'm going to just show you how to take this apart if you need to move it just as easily. So putting it together and taking it apart are going to basically be the same process. So real simply, this piece comes right off, and then the back piece right here can come off just as easily. So you'll see there's 2 little pieces back here that'll come together, and then the feet on the bottom are pretty easy to just pop in and pop out. So you'll just literally place them in and out. So totally worth it. Again, for saving space, it's fantastic. 2 other things, you do have these, which are, as you can see, they get dirty pretty quick. You can wash them off. You have one for the bottom and one for the top as well. So very convenient, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.